and be aware of the small and large ways in which we disadvantage and ignore collective interests. Being good means, at its most basic, putting other people more squarely at the center of our lives. But for some of us, the problem isn't so much that we're heedless to this advice, rather that we take it far too closely and remorselessly to heart. So mindful are we of the risks of selfishness, we run into an opposite danger, an abnegation of the self, a modesty that borders on self-erasure, an automatic impulse to give everything over to competing parties, a shyness about pressing oneself forward, and a manic inability to say no or cause the slightest frustration to others. And so, as a result of our talents at selflessness, we fill our diaries with obligations to people who bore and drain us. We stick at jobs that neglect our true talent.
Heedless. Heedless. Heedless.